Hi everyone, this is Tasha Jackson from Naturally Inspired Media. And today I want to share my story of how I became a single mompreneur. And I'm going to guide you through essentially what my story was at the time that I began my business, the journey that I took, but then also how you can do the same for yourself. It's pretty short, so hopefully hang tight. And then also you can visit my website, naturallyinspiredmedia.com, to learn more about who I am and what it is that I do, or you can watch a variety of videos on my channel. There's an entire playlist, Who is Tasha Jackson? Go ahead and check that one out. And if you are returning, thank you so much. If you're new here, welcome. And I hope that my journey and my story is educational and inspiring to others.